The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler. February 11th, St. Theodora the Empress. By her mildness and patience, she often softened the cruel temper of her brutish husband, Theophilus, and protected the defenders of holy images from the fury of his persecution. Being left by his death regent of the empire during the minority of her son, Michael III, she put an end to the Iconoclast heresy, 120 years after the first establishment of it by Leo the Isaurian, and the Patriarch Methodius, with great solemnity, restored holy images in the great church in Constantinople, on the First Sunday of Lent, which we call the second, of which event the Greeks make an annual commemoration, calling it the Feast of Orthodoxy. After she had governed the empire with great glory 12 years, she was banished by her unnatural son and his impious uncle Bardas. She prepared herself for death by spending the last 8 years of her life in a monastery, where she gave up her soul to God in 867. She is ranked among the saints in the Monology of the Emperor Basil, in the Mania, and other calendars of the Greeks. See the compilations of Bolandus from the authors of the Byzantine history.